At the track in Ten Boer, the brothers Rodnedijk are getting in their shape to hit the Special Olympics game next year, a huge success. But it isn't the first time that such a prestigious competition will see them. They have been practicing since they were kids, and the first big show they had was in 2001 at Special Winter Olympic Games in Alaska. Since then, they have hung 10 medals each in their home, and the most fresh ones are from Athens, where they competed as members of the Dutch national team. Their coach Herman Bos says that Nico was extremely excited when he found out that he's going to compete in South Korea, and Gerrit-Jan as well. Nico can be described as really ambitious, but Gerrit-Jan is not far behind his older brother. Bos says that he was surprised but very happy, and that Olympics are going to be very excited.
I can definitely see them coming home with a medal. Of course they want the first place, the gold medal.
Blik wish them success in South Korea. Milan Lisica, Ten Boer.